This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Costco Wholesale app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so simply follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix your Costco Wholesale application. So for the first one, just go to your Google Play Store and then from here, just search for the application Costco Wholesale. And then from here, guys, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app, and when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So for the second solution is just go to your settings on your phone. And then from here, go to the apps. And here on the apps, guys, just find Costco and tap on it. And then after that, go to the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then guys, from there, you should have a working Costco wholesale app. And guys, if any of these doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall Costco on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store, guys. And then from here, install it back again. And then from there, you should be able to fix your Costco wholesale application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!